Hey guys. Alright, so for week 6, have our hydrogen peroxide, mason jar, got a rubber lid with the pasta, got our pasta here, and then our yeast, active dry yeast. So we'll see what happens here. So we'll pour some hydrogen peroxide in here. It's probably good enough. Our yeast. I'll put it in there, put the lid on, press it down, give it a little swirl. You can see that it's working. We're going to try and light this. And voila, you can see that it's working. So basically the carbohydrate, sorry, blew it out. But the carbohydrate is acting as a fuel source, and then the oxygen's coming from the reaction here, from the overall peroxide and yeast that's going on. So due to the presence of the oxygen, the fuel is taken over, which is the Moodle. And boy, this thing stinks. Hopefully the alarms don't go off, but yeah, that's pretty much it. Works pretty good. Looks like there's a little reaction still going on here, but that's pretty much it.